lavish, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy, rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters keep my name in their mouth, not a gagging. Bougie. He say the way that thing move, it's a movie. I told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, need a room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to do the video outside of my balcony because it's really nice outside and I wanted to catch like all this lighting. Y'all see this glow though? But anyway, I decided to change up the scenery a little bit because I'm always in my room, and like I said, the weather is really nice and it's getting nice, thank God. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the first time I got a Brazilian wax. You guys voted for it, so I'm going to tell you guys all about it, the do's and don'ts, and my first time experience. I've actually gotten a Brazilian wax twice, but the first time I couldn't get the video out because, like I said before, there was a lot of things going on, so I didn't really have time, and I just needed to focus on myself for a little bit. I do hope nothing comes out here, no like loud music or nothing starts to play, because the last time I decided to vlog out here, I don't have the video up anymore. It was just a whole mess. Like it was like 7 airplanes passing by, motorcycle. It was a lot going on, and I wasn't feeling it. So hopefully nothing else happens today. I did write my thoughts on a paper so I don't get sidetracked and miss out on anything and leave out any details about anything. So wait, before I even start the video and tell you about this experience that I had, it's funny. I'm gonna need y'all to follow me on Instagram, which is vibe3_2_ to follow my beauty page, which is beauty by Bree _3_. A link to my website will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all check out my website. I got a lot of bomb lashes. Lip glosses are on the way. I got some good necklaces on the website as well, and I'm gonna be adding more and more inventory as we go along. But all of those links will be in the description box below. Links to like any other things that I got that I'm an affiliate for. I feel like I said that wrong, but I do have a lot of codes that you guys can use for different websites as well. And if you haven't checked out any of my fashion hauls yet, make sure you check out those fashion hauls, and also make sure you check out my first compilation video. I did that video just to show, I want people to feel comfortable in the skin that they're in, because like I said before, in today's society, we grow up looking on Instagram, and it's like, oh, well, why don't I look like this, and they look like this, so I gotta look like this. Be comfortable in the skin that you're in. You're beautiful just the way you are. But okay, now without further ado, let me just get into this video for y'all. Like seriously though. Alright, so the first time I got a Brazilian wax was way back in March, like ending of February, beginning of March. I got the wax March 6th, I believe, and I won this Brazilian wax through Instagram. It was a giveaway that I won. I got a free Brazilian wax and a mask service, and with the steam, like amazing. When I went through the first time, I didn't completely read, oh my goodness, I didn't completely read the whole, she sent like a whole little paragraph to me about like location and what did I win and everything else. I didn't completely read the whole thing because like as I went back today to get the information for me to write it down, I realized that she did give me the option to do the numbing free. We gonna get to that part. So I was like, I was really psyched that I won a giveaway. I don't really win too many giveaways on Instagram and stuff. So I was pretty psyched out that I won getting a free Brazilian wax. So I've been dying to try one. I've been dying to like get into that habit of getting a wax instead of shaving. It's a lot more easier, and it's just a lot more. It's a lot more easier than shaving, and they see things that we can't see, so it's like they get every nook and cranny that we probably don't get when you're shaving. So, and honestly, I'm tired of the shaving. Sorry, I don't know how y'all ladies feel about that, but I'm tired of the shaving. When I went for my first time, booked the whole appointment. I went late night because I had to. I don't remember why I went so late. I think I had something to do prior that morning, and then I just went straight over there. But her first location was it in Brooklyn? It was in Brooklyn somewhere. I'm not gonna give her the information just yet, even though it's a studio. It definitely did say you'll get the confirmed address when you book with her. So I want you ladies to definitely book with her. So as before, like I said, my first experience, it was amazing. It was just I was a little nervous because I've never like gotten a Brazilian wax. I didn't know what to really expect. And this is where the numbing cream plays in the part. The numbing, well, emulsion, but I'm gonna say like cream. When I got there, I was a little bit shaky, nervous, and I guess she could see that and feel that. And I definitely told her this is my first time. I'm a little nervous because I know people have different experiences when they're getting wax, and like some people don't really like it or whatever. Went in, got not completely undressed, but like from the waist down. She sanitizes everything, she cleans everything. She's really, really nice. Like, her attitude is 10 out of 10 for me. It's bomb. She made me definitely feel comfortable when she could tell I was nervous. But when she started to like put the waxing on, she'll definitely ask you if the wax is too hot, is it just right? Like, she asks a lot of questions, and like that's a really great experience for me. Customer service goes a long way with me as well. So sorry. Okay. Yes, I was pretty nervous because like, yo, I'm opening up my legs like to a complete stranger. Before y'all even say anything about that, I get nervous like that. I'm like, yo, somebody's looking at my coochie. Oh. Even when I go to the doctor, still like, come on. I know I can't be the only female like that. But anyway. I'm like, yo, she's looking at my coochie, once the wax was on there, she definitely did ask me, like I said, the numbing thing. Oh my gosh. The first time I went, I really wish I would have put the numbing cream on there because it was just like, it was so sad. Once the waxing like dried up and she had to start pulling it off. No, it's not. It was never wet. That was my grandfather. Oh, that was my grandfather. Yeah, it had just rained, so he thinks that the balcony was wet. What did I say? I don't know what I said. Damn. Oh, when the wax ended up drying up and it was time to like take off the wax. I've felt pain before, but that pain was a different type of pain because like I said, it was my first time. And let me tell y'all, if you're going for the first time to get a Brazilian wax, meaning all your hair is coming off, all of the hair is coming off, it's not just the Brazilian line, the bikini line, I recommend the wax all the way. I recommend it. Because once she pulled off that first strand of wax, because it's like this, she put on the wax about 2 to 3 different times, I believe, just so you can get all the hairs in different places. That first pull, I'm sorry, but I almost farted in her face. And if I would have farted in her face, I know that I would just set it off right there. Because that hurt a lot. Like, it really definitely did hurt. And I wasn't expecting that. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you do go, I don't know if gentlemen is allowed to get Brazilian waxes, but I know y'all could do something. I recommend you get something to numb that pain down, because that pain was serious pain, and I really felt like either I was gonna doodle on myself or I was gonna fall on her face. God forgive me, but yeah, I really honestly felt like I was gonna do that. Oh, and her Instagram, I don't want to be butchering anybody's name, but her Instagram name is by Chanel Alay or Alay, but her information will be in the description box below. All of that information will be in the description box below. Now, but it's like every time she kept doing that, like the first pull, oh my god, the second pull was the same thing, and it was like, yo, my legs kept shaking. I thought I was gonna cry. I tried to be on my phone so I could like distract my mind, but it was like every pull hurt more and more. Like literally after the waxing session was done and she was like, it's done, I said, oh, thank God. Like I couldn't keep going no more. After that was done, we did like a I can't remember if it was the mask first or the steam. It was either one, but the masking was definitely, it definitely felt amazing. I can't remember right now which mask that I got because I had to decide when I got there. Can't remember, but I think that one was like for toning and lining up that area. I can't remember. And then the steam was really nice. I think the steam was about 5 to 10 minutes. Like that whole first experience, even though it was my first experience getting that done and it kind of hurt, it was really nice. She was nice and she made me feel welcomed and comfortable. And sometimes you don't really get that service in so many places nowadays. So I definitely recommend you go to her for all your waxing needs for sure. Like honestly, like I went the first time and I'll be going back now. The second time I went, way better. I ended up getting another Brazilian wax and a Vagisil. I think the Vagisil is the mask, so I ended up getting that. And I can't remember which mask that I got, but I will add them I will look it up and add them in the description box below. But I got that the second time around, and I added the numbing cream because a sister was not playing the second time around. But when I went, confirmed everything. Second time was way better because I got the numbing cream. You definitely feel the difference between not getting it and getting it. But same time around, she's really nice. I'm trying to think, like the second time went way better. But she knows that I'm not a person that I don't really talk a lot. So she definitely made me feel comfortable. She asked me a lot of questions. She engaged in conversation with me. It wasn't like a session where you're like, okay, well I'm looking at her coochie and that's all. I'm just gonna look at her coochie. We actually had a conversation, so it was more comforting, relaxing, both first and second time. So that's really great. That's good in my book. There are some do's and don'ts after you get Brazilian wax. I didn't really get down to that part, but the main don't do if you start doing Brazilian waxes, don't go back to shaving and then don't go back to shaving and then try to get up another Brazilian wax, because the hairs definitely grow different and it's gonna be harder for the person to wax off the hairs, because I definitely did that and she noticed it, like with the quickness. So don't do that. If you're gonna go Brazilian, stay Brazilian. And I kid you not, just stay Brazilian, because it's the bomb. And also after you get a Brazilian wax, exfoliate 2 days after. She definitely told me Tree Hut is a good scrub, but she sold her own scrubs. Like she makes and sold her own scrubs just for that purpose. So I definitely copped it from her. I bought it from her because, you know, support. Come on. And I believe the waxing was, I can't remember how much it was, but I think it was 15. I think it was 15, but I can't remember right now because I did everything in person. And this time the second time around when I got the wax, I got it, I don't know, we've been in the quarantine for so long. Like, I'm trying to remember. I know it was we in June. I think I got it towards the beginning of June. So I really don't remember honestly. But I think I did get it next month. For now, I really feel like I didn't leave anything out. That was my Brazilian wax story. Like my first time. Whew. I really would have felt bad if I would have farted in her face. Like that would have been like a different thing. I probably wouldn't have gone back. It would have been like, yo, I'm just get dressed. I'm gonna just head out. I'm gonna head out. But I feel like if I left anything out, if you guys have any questions, concerns, please comment them down below and I will be sure to answer them in the best of my abilities. But if I feel like I can't answer it, I will definitely point you in a direction where she can answer it best for you. But like I said, I recommend waxing over shaving any time of the day. Like any time of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little, well, it's not story time, but like my cat waxing story and the do's and the don'ts and like where you should go. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. I'm gonna hurry up and go inside because the sun is like beaming on the sister right now and I'm getting hot and I'm starting to sweat and my hair is gonna start poofing up. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I always say that word wrong. Subscribe. Make sure y'all do all that. Share the video with your friends, your brothers, your uncles. Like, share that video. Come on, like, support is free, y'all. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. In the next video, I will probably be doing another fashion haul with its like different clothing. Like, my sister got me something. I bought some stuff from Fashion Nova, so it might just pretty much be a Fashion Nova haul again, but dress edition. So I hope you guys are ready for that one as well. And I hope you, like I said, I hope you guys see the other fashion hauls as well. If you haven't, click, oh my god, that bird scared me. Click out of this video and go watch those and come. Like, come on, just watch the videos. And I just blinked out. I think that's it. I really think that's it. When I get towards the ending of the video, it's always hard for me to close out the video. My brain be so out of it. But nah, I definitely got... am I just over them right now? But nah, I definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for the other videos. Your girl's coming back with all these videos, so make sure you guys subscribe. Your girl's trying to monetize this channel, so help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I definitely will be having a giveaway, so make sure you definitely follow my Instagram pages so you can stay updated as well, because I'm not that far from it, and I will be probably posting the giveaway details very, very soon. But get me to 1,000 subscribers. Like, come on, you subscribe to my channel, watch my stuff, I'll subscribe to your channel and watch your stuff too. Like, I support everybody. And also, Black Lives Matter. Peace out.